Honda CMX250C Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of adventure, freedom, and an intimate connection with the open road. For beginners entering this exhilarating realm, choosing their first motorcycle is a momentous decision. The Honda CMX250C, known as the Rebel 250, offers an exceptional entry point for novice riders. With its accessible power, comfortable design, and beginner-friendly features, the CMX250C stands out as an ideal choice for those taking their first step into the world of two-wheel exploration. With its balanced performance, classic aesthetics, and rider-centric attributes, the CMX250C provides a perfect platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. The heart of the Honda CMX250C is a refined 234cc single-cylinder engine that offers a harmonious blend of power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance that allows beginners to experience the thrill of riding with confidence. Classic design and timeless aesthetics. The CMX250C is celebrated for its classic cruiser design that captures the essence of motorcycling heritage. Its relaxed lines, low-slung profile, and iconic styling elements embody a blend of vintage aesthetics and contemporary charm that resonates with riders seeking a connection to tradition and style. Novice riders not only embrace the thrill of riding but also connect with the timeless spirit that defines the CMX250C. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the CMX250C offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both short rides and extended journeys. The relaxed posture, well-positioned handlebars, and cushioned seat contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Easy handling and maneuverability. The Honda CMX250C is renowned for its easy handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, curves, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is paramount for beginner riders. The CMX250C often comes equipped with features like modern braking systems and optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's performance. Urban cruises and leisurely rides. The CMX250C's versatility extends beyond city commutes. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban cruises and leisurely rides through scenic routes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's comfortable and enjoyable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Honda brand create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Becoming part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the road and the CMX250C's cruiser attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Honda CMX250C encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Honda CMX250C isn't just an entry-level choice, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its versatile performance, classic design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the CMX250C as they evolve from novice riders to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Honda CMX250C represents Honda's commitment to providing an accessible and comfortable introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, classic aesthetics, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the CMX250C provides an immersive gateway to the joy of riding. By choosing a Honda CMX250C as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for tradition, style, and the exhilaration of cruising on two wheels.